or more. Nigerians too like free things though. Just look at the crowd of people. Olumo Rock was recently declared free to access by the Governor of Ogun State, Dapo Abiodun, following its recent renovation. Visitors from near and far have been trooping in to explore the upgraded facilities, experience the rich culture, take photos, and simply enjoy themselves. So grab your shoes and make your way to Olumo Rock while the free entry offer is still on. Don't say I didn't tell you. And if you can't make it just yet, sit back, relax, and let me take you on a tour of the newly renovated Olumo Rock. Hey guys, I need your support. On this channel, I share exciting updates, tours, events, and everything you need to know about Lagos and Nigeria as a whole. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any important updates. Thanks for subscribing. If you are planning to visit Olumo Rock during this period, try to arrive early as it gets quite crowded, thanks to the free access currently available. Also, take note of important opening and closing hours for each day so you can plan your visit better. And for those asking about the Abeokuta train station road, good news, the road has been fully constructed sometime earlier this year, making it easy and smooth to get to the Olumo Rock directly from the train station. As soon as you enter the gate, you are welcomed by beautiful wall murals, stunning paintings, and interesting facts about Olumo Rock and its rich history. The entire atmosphere feels deeply cultural, and I absolutely love it. If you arrive early or visit on a less crowded day, you will be granted access immediately. However, on busier days, you might need to wait outside a bit until the crowd thins out to prevent overcrowding of the center. The 1 month free access initiative by the government was a brilliant move. It has brought more attention and visitors to Olumo Rock than ever before. Honestly, the Lagos Red Line project could learn a thing or two from this strategy. Once inside, you are greeted by a completely transformed Olumo Rock environment. To your right, you'll find the newly built ticket office and the new impressive Nik Arts Gallery. To your left is a well-organized parking lot with new waiting areas, offering both convenience and comfort to visitors. So let's begin with the Nik Arts Gallery, one of the most exciting additions during the recent renovation. At the entrance, you are welcomed by beautifully crafted metal animal sculptures, an artistic preview of what awaits inside. Nik Art Gallery is one of the largest and most celebrated art galleries in Nigeria and West Africa. It was founded by Chief Mrs. Nik Davis Okundayi, a renowned Nigerian artist and textile designer known for her passion and dedication to preserving and promoting African art and culture. The gallery is a vibrant display of Nigeria's artistic soul, featuring an extensive collection of paintings, sculptures, textiles, and crafts by both established and upcoming artists. With existing branches in Lagos and Abuja, Ogun State now proudly hosts a new branch right at the heart of Olumo Rock Tourist Complex. More than just an art space, it serves as a cultural hub, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in traditional and contemporary African art forms. Nik Art Gallery stands as a powerful symbol of Nigeria's rich artistic heritage and a beacon promoting African creativity to the world. It's truly a must-visit destination for art lovers and tourists alike. As for Mama Nik Davis, now in her 70s, She deserves to be celebrated for her incredible contributions to Nigerian culture and art. She's an inspiration and truly an amazing woman. Outside, you also notice several new sculptures and buildings, as well as renovated structures that add even more charm and historical depth to the environment. One striking feature is the sculpture of Lisabi. Lisabi was a farmer and warrior who played a crucial role uniting the Egba people to resist the oppressive taxation imposed by the old Oyo Empire. His leadership and bravery made him a legendary figure in Egba history and mythology. Today, he is celebrated as a symbol of resistance, unity, and strength. A true hero whose legacy still resonates with the people of Abeokuta and beyond. Olumo Rock is one of Nigeria's most iconic natural landmarks, located in the ancient city of Abeokuta, the capital of Ogun State. The name Olumo is derived from the Yoruba word Olu, meaning God or deity, and Mo, meaning molded together, suggesting the God that molded. Rising about 137 meters above sea level, the rock is not only a geographical wonder, but also a deeply symbolic site with cultural, historical, and spiritual significance. Historically, Olumo Rock served as a fortress for the Egba people during the intertribal wars in the 19th century, provided a secure hideout with its caves and natural tunnels, offering protection and strategic advantage. From the summit, the people could monitor enemy movements and plan their defense. This role cemented the rock status as a symbol of unity, resilience, and survival. Culturally, Olumo Rock is intertwined with Yoruba mythology and beliefs. It is considered sacred, and traditional worship still takes place at its base. Local guides often share tales of the spirits believed to inhabit the rock and of the powerful priestess who once lived there. These stories, passed down through generations, enrich visitors' understanding of Yoruba heritage and spirituality. Today, Olumo Rock is a major tourist destination with modern stairways, elevators, and scenic views from the top that attracts both local and international visitors. I just learned one amazing fact about the Olumo Rock. Did you know that no one has ever fallen or died climbing the rock? It is believed that the gods protect people from falling. Since the site was opened to tourists in 1976, there has never been any casualties despite the height and steepness of the rock.
They film me instead of helping me. Go, 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 go.
In essence, Olumo Rock stands as a monument to the endurance of a people and a bridge between Nigeria's past and present. It is more than a tourist attraction, it is a living memory of courage, culture, and community. It's currently the rainy season, so don't forget to bring along your umbrella or raincoat. You don't want to get stranded. Also, climbing the rock is not allowed when it's raining for safety reasons, to prevent slips and falls. If you are planning to stay overnight in Abeokuta, be sure to book your accommodation in advance, as there aren't many hotels nearby until you get closer to the main city center. For those using the Lagos to Ibadan train, it's totally possible to make it a day's trip. The train from Lagos arrives in Abeokuta around 9 a.m. and from there you can take a taxi or Uber to Olumo Rock. It's about a 30-minute ride, depending on traffic. When heading back, the return train leaves Abeokuta by 5 p.m, so make sure to be at the station before 4:30 p.m. to avoid missing it. And I hope you have an amazing time at Olumo Rock. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.